Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design. If you are new here, I am Fashion Design and today we are diving into something super exciting, trending new trends, bodycon dresses, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video and share it with your friends so they can stay up to date with the latest fashion trends too. In this video I am going to show you some of the latest bodycon dresses that are perfect for the everywhere. So whether you are dressing for a big meeting or just want to look stylish at work, I have got you covered. So if you have an hourglass figures, you are in luck. Bodycon dress are perfect for showcasing your curves. Look for dress with a defined waistline to highlight your shape and avoid overly loose styles. For those with a pear shaped figure, consider dresses that have a bit more fabric on the bottom or feature darker colors on the lower half. A bodycon dress, with a these fabrics can also be more resistant to wrinkles, which are ideal for a busy workday. Jersey fabric is soft and has a lot of stretch, making it a great option for bodycon dress. It's perfect if you want something that's both comfortable and flattering. Jersey dresses often come in various print and colors, so I will have plenty of options to choose from. Texture fabrics like ribbed or embossed materials add a unique touch to bodycon dresses. They can make a simple dress look more interesting. These texture also provide a bit more texture, which can be flattering for different bodycon shapes. If you hand or glass figures, you are in luck. Bodycon dresses are perfect showcasing curves. For those with a pear-shaped figure, consider and that have a bit more fabric on the bottom or features darker colors of the lower half. A bodycon dress with a flared hem or a high neckline can help balance proportions. If you have an apple shape figures, go for dresses that have some gathering or reaching around the waist. Empire waistline can also be flattering as they draw attentions away from the midsections, and for a rectangle body shape, try adding a belt or a dress with straight seam details create illusions of curves. Choose bodycon dresses with patterns or texture to add some diminutions and break up the straight lines. If your bodycon dresses is a bit too loose, adding a belt can cinch the waist and enhance your shitholes. Choose a belt that complements the dress colors or OPT for a contrasting color for a pops of interest. Sometimes the length of a dress is not quite right. You can easily adjust the hem to fit your perfect length. If you are not comfortable with sewing, many tailors offer hemming service at a responsible price. If you are prefer a dress with sleeves, you can attach removable sleeves or a fitted jackets to your bodycon dresses. This can instantly make your outfit versatile and suitable for different parties outfits. Add some embellishment like lace, trim or small to give your bodycon dress a unique touch. Be mindful of office dress codes when adding decoration to ensure your dress remains professional. Different offices have different dress codes. Make sure to understand your party's anniversary policy before choosing a bodycon dress. You can look stylish and professional by choosing bodycon dresses that are knee length or longer and avoid overlay low-cut necklines. Layering with blazer or cardigan can also help maintain a professional appearance in some corporate setting or formal environments. Bodycon dresses might not be appropriate. It's a debate consulate with HR observed what has other in officing wear and outfit wear and classic outfit wear spring and summer for spring and summer opt for the lighter fabric and bright floral patterns. These are perfect for a fresh warm weather look. In fall and winter, choose bodycon dresses made from thicker fabric like knit or velvet. Darker colors and each texture will keep or warm and stylish. Layer with tight and ankle boots for a cozy seasonal look. During the holidays or a special events, you can go for bodycon dresses with festive colors like gold, silver, or deep jewelry tones. Black colors we are very perfect. We are covered a lot of today from the latest trends in bodycon dresses or two ships on choosing the right one of your bodycon type. I hope you feel inspired to try out some new bodycon style for your stylish outfit wardrobe. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel Fashion Design for more fashion tips and trends. Leave a comment below and let me know which bodycon dress styles in your favorite. If you have any questions, layering is key, making to bodycon dresses, parties, appropriate. Add a blazer cardigan to make the look more professional. Keep your accessories simple and elegant. A pair of stud earrings and a classic watch can add just the right amount of. Make sure your bodycon dresses for comfortable. Look for dresses with stretchy fabric so you can move around easily. It's also good ideas to check it if the dresses has a bit of lining of extra comfort. You can find great bodycon dresses at stores like have a variety of styles and price to fit any budgets. Online shopping is also a great option. Website like have the latest trends. When shopping online, make sure to check the size guide and read reviews to ensure you are getting a good fit. It always a good idea to try on dresses before buying if you can. So there you have it, some of the hottest bodycon dresses for the outfit right now. I hope this video help you find your new favorite outfit, latest bodycon dresses. Remember, fashion is all about feeling good and expressing yourself, so choose styles that make you feel confident. Is the gray color is very beautiful and like beautiful and pretty color combinations and winter collections. The latest bodycon dresses, new stylish bodycon dresses. For a rectangle body shapes, try adding a belt or a dress with straight seam details to create the illusion of curves. Choose bodycon dresses with patterns or texture to add some dimensions and break up the straight lines. If your bodycon dress is a bit too loose, adding a belt can cinch the waist and enhance. Choose a belt that complements the dress color or opt of constructing colors for a pop of interest. Sometimes the length of dress is not quite right. So there you have it, some of the latest bodycon dresses. I hope this video help you find your new favorite latest bodycon dresses wear. Remember, fashion is all about feeling good and expressing yourself. So choose styles that make you feel confident. If you enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have not already, hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out of any of our